Ladies and gentlemen, we have a tsunami warning, tsunami alert. There are 21 buoys going off. I just got done counting all of them, including there's one popping up kind of hiding over here in Hawaii. And it wraps all the way around the ring of fire and comes all the way down in here into Northern California, right off the coast. But my question is it from earthquakes? Let's go find out. Come over here to earthquakes, and we can clearly see that there are earthquakes going on all along the ring of fire. Okay, we can clearly see this. This is our ring of fire right here. The plates, basically, the continental plates. And we can see that there are absolutely earthquakes going on all over. However, they don't normally set off buoys like this from the earthquake. So, I mean, and there's been a lot of activity going on over here in New Guinea. And even in Tonga, there's a volcano that just erupted in Tonga. But if we look at this, I mean, there's 21. So my question is, if they haven't really been setting them off, I mean, we have one, this one has gone off before, and I think this one has gone off before, but this many, that makes me wonder, what happened? Now, if I'm now watching some of the news, that there was a satellite that was supposed to be falling down from space. Is that what finally landed in the ocean, and it's causing all of these things to go off? Did it land kind of centrally located, like maybe, let's see, between here and up here, so that would probably put it like close to here, but then this thing would be going off. So, I don't know, maybe it landed over here in this region, but it still doesn't make sense why this isn't going off, and this one is. There is something serious going on, folks. We've got all kinds of, there are events. Let's go ahead and check this guy out here. Ooh, look at that jump. Oh yeah, definitely in event mode. That is a solid event. So these are not false. Let's go check out here off California. Yep, there's an event mode here. It's not major, but there is an event. So something is causing these things to go off. Something happened. Yep, we've got an event here. Something that happened that caused these to go off. So if you happen to live around the Pacific Ocean, if you happen to be on the eastern side of Australia, take warning, go to higher ground. If you happen to live over here in Japan, well, you probably already hit with it. But try to get to higher ground. Hawaii, try to get to higher ground, for crying out loud. All up here, if you live up here along Alaska, if you know people that do, let them know about this going on. This is not a joke. When you've got this many going off, something has happened. If you happen to live down here in New Zealand, I would say take cover. Oh my gosh, look at this event. Whoa, that's a major event down here in New Zealand. That's a big one. Let's go check our volcanoes out and earthquakes and see if we had anything down there in New Zealand go off. Yeah, we did. We had this one go off right here. This particular is a 4.7. But yeah, something's going on, folks. This is getting crazy. And these are all of our earthquakes around the ring of fire in the past 24 hours. All of them. So it could have been a 1 or higher. And look at the list here that goes on. I mean, my gosh. Now, it's not just in this area. This is all over the globe. But, I mean, here we are, Papua New Guinea, 5.4. And that was this morning at just before 1 o'clock in the morning UTC time. Now, keep in mind that the Richter scale, which is what this is, 5.4 magnitude on the Richter scale. Richter scale actually would be 1 point exactly above this. Right after Richter died, they lowered the numbers by 1. So this was actually a 6.4. This is well documented. Anyone can go look it up and see when they did it, and then find out when Richter died. You'll go, holy crap. So this is our list of all of the ones. Uh-oh, La Palma's going off some more. Oh, that's not good. But this is all the earthquakes. So 24 hours, there's a lot of movement going on to this plate. A lot of stuff happening. Our ring of fire. And when we go right here, I mean, here we are, Papua New Guinea with 5.4. So I'm wondering if maybe this sent out the alarms to go off this way, and it would have, maybe sent off this way. This could have been the reason for it. It's quite possible. Who knows? Uh-oh, we just had a new one pop up right here. In Verdes, California, right over here. Boop. Well, that may not be it. That's a 3.7. But over here in California, it just popped up as I was talking to you. Everybody stay safe out there. Please get away from the coast for a little bit. Go to higher ground for the day. I mean, we do have all these buoys going off. I would absolutely say just get up to higher ground for a few hours and just kind of wait it out. I mean, is it better to be safe than sorry? I think so. So I went ahead and clicked on the one here near Papua New Guinea, and look at this event. It is all red. That is not good. That is an event. That is an absolute tsunami. That is right off the coast, and that's right where we had our earthquake. So this is earthquake created, in my opinion. It may not be from a satellite crashing into the ocean or a meteor crashing into the ocean, which could very well have happened as well. But in my opinion, because we had the earthquakes there, and with this here, I think that these tsunamis are earthquake related. I do. It's very possible that a lot of these earthquakes could have been kind of like, maybe they went off in succession, you know, like boom, 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 going around. And then, you know, so from one causing another. So that could be why all these little buoy stations could be going off right now. But just remember to stay safe out there, folks, and keep your eyes open. You know, make sure that, you know, you and your family are safe. You know anybody near the coasts, get them away from the coasts. I mean, is it going to hurt? Oh, that's a big long-term event too. Yeah, I'd get away from the coasts, folks, especially if you live in Eastern Australia, New Zealand. Get to higher ground. Japan, absolutely. Everybody just kind of get to higher ground and just kind of wait it out for the day. Remember to stay safe, folks. Keep your eyes open. And remember that love is the only way forward.